Mike is shopping with his girlfriend and she's talking to him, but he is not there. His mind is wandering about playing Minecraft. Yeah. Then she asks him a question. He freezes. His face says it all. Guilty. Big Mike. When his woman is sharing her stories, he's listening attentively. His presence is so powerful. It feels like he was there too, in her stories. She is so amazed by his capability of being a good listener. It's the winter of 2023 and I am shopping with my girlfriend for Christmas. We are looking at Christmas decorations and presents for our families, absorbing this Christmas mood. And as we enter a store, she starts talking to me. Immediately, when that happens, I started to wonder about unimportant things. Things which didn't matter at that time. And as I'm wondering, as we are walking through the store, she asks me a question on what she was talking about. At that moment I freezed. I looked at her with a guilty face and she immediately knew. I didn't listen. Her look told me everything. She felt disappointed in me because I didn't even give her a little bit of attention after a whole week of not seeing each other. She wanted to enjoy this afternoon we had together, this Christmas shopping. And my mind wasn't even there. It was somewhere else, thinking about other things, unimportant things at that moment. Another example to illustrate this is, imagine a situation when you are out with your friends and there is this one guy, one friend of yours, who, when you are talking to him, doesn't pay attention. He's looking away. He doesn't connect a good eye contact with you. His answers are like, yeah. He's not invested in this conversation. You immediately know that he is wandering. He's there physically, but his mind isn't there. It seems like he doesn't even want to be there. Your respect for this guy will immediately drop. It's automatic, unconscious, yeah. How to make women love you instantly. We are all human beings, meaning we all crave one single thing, and that is attention. When you can give attention to others, they will treat you with gifts. That's reality. That's why men tend to ride expensive cars, buy expensive watches, expensive things to get attention. Women, on the other hand, do invest into their appearance. That's why do they paint their nails, wear jewelries, take care of their hair and other things. They want attention, as we all do. And this is why it's important to, especially when you are meeting a woman you like, or if it's already your girlfriend, that's why it's important to pay attention to these things, to these details. They need your appreciation, your gift of presence, of you being there, listening to their stories. They need somebody like this. And if you are not willing to give it to them, they will lose interest after a while. They may even cheat on you because of lack of attention they get from you. So if your woman did cheat on you, this might have been a reason why. Because she didn't get what she needed. And that's your gift of presence, attention. Nothing is more powerful than having sex with your partner, present sex, when you are consciously there. I had this bad trait that during a sex I was wondering, I was imagining another girl, and women will notice. And when they will notice, they will do the same. They will mirror you. Conscious sex, when you are present, 100% present, it's very powerful to be able to do this. You two will connect much deeply on emotional level. It's like trying to think about it, like trying to connect yourself with her, like trying to become one person. Think about it like this. And even me back then, I didn't know about it. I didn't know about any of these things because I was honestly, I was lazy. I was just lazy to invest my mental capacity into relationship. So it was like, yeah, I'm in a relationship, so what? That was my thinking. I don't suggest you to do the same, definitely. And when you will start to realize these details, you will become conscious about this connection. It does make a difference in your relationship. This consciousness, this state of mind of being present, this consciousness is a skill, and the more you practice being present during these times when you are out there with your girl, the better you will get at it. Women will quite genuinely worship you for you just sharing this power of your presence, this gift. So if you are in a relationship, or if you are thinking about getting yourself in one, consider this. This is a skill you will need to master. And I mean, this is fucking powerful. Again, I don't know how many times did I say this, but it is powerful. I hope you learned something new. If you want to help, you can like, comment, and share this video so YouTube algorithm would like me more and our community could grow. The more people, the more insights, the more thoughts. So we all will benefit from this. That's it for now. Better yourself and stay true to who you are.